Now I have to run back home after doing 80 push-ups. Good morning, Nosa. It's a new day. Yes, it is. Let's go. By the way, guys, I'm just doing my morning run, and I decided, let me just in between do the push-up challenge. Let's go. I've got like 10 days before 2020 ends. I said 2020 before January ends. Then we're gonna end February. Let's go. Our 2020 will be great to us. Let's go. If not, guys, we still have 11 months, 11 days for us to make 2021 work. Let's go. Never give up, man. It might seem difficult at the moment, but bro, at the end of the journey, you're gonna see results. Let's go. So yeah, guys, I just checked my phone, and you won't believe, guys, you won't believe how much views I get in my last push-up challenge. Guess. You guys have 3 seconds. Guess. 3, 2, 1. Wrong. Oh my god, I got 80 views. Damn, guys, you know what this means? Because I got 80 views, I'm gonna have to do 80 push-ups. OMG, OMG. Let's go. Wow. Okay, I think you guys are trying to push me to my limits. Let's go. That's what I like, man. Never say never. So I'm gonna do 80 push-ups. By the way, for you people that don't understand what I'm doing, this is a push-up challenge. So whenever I get a certain amount of views, I'm going in the push-up challenge video, not in my other videos. Don't get me wrong, so in the push-up challenge videos, whenever I get a certain amount of views, I'm going to do the certain amount of views I get doing push-ups. Let's go. I almost got myself confused when I said that. So now I'm gonna set my camera. It's a little bit windy. That's not gonna stop us. No. As you guys can see, and it's really cold, man. So where can I set my camera? Okay, I hope you guys can see me. I'm gonna set my camera right here. Wow, look at the views, man. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna try my best to do it with correct form. I hope you guys can see me though, because I have a feeling that you guys can see me. 1 second, because I can't see myself in the camera, so I'm gonna go under the lights. I can't even see myself. So yeah, let's go. 80 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 20. 30. OMG! I never knew it was this difficult. I still remember those days when I used to do only push-up at work, but with bad forms though. 8, 9, 10. 40 more push-ups to go. Let's go. OMG. My chest is all cramped up. Okay, 40 more push-ups to go. I don't think I'll be able to do it once, but we'll see. Maybe not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm wondering, what if this video gets like 500 views? So then I'm gonna have to do 500 push-ups. No way. No way. OMG. Try some more push-ups to go. Let's go. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my god. 8, 9, 10. Damn, the last 10 push-ups. It's getting difficult, man. Okay, last 10 push-ups. 1, 2, 3. I did it, man. I did it. Oh my god, 80 push-ups. It wasn't easy, man, but I did it. Lockdown made me lazy, man. But so remember when I used to do 100 push-ups at once? But now I can't even do 40 push-ups at once. Let's go. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. Guys, I'm out here doing push-ups in the middle of nowhere. Wow. To entertain you guys. Oh, my chest all cramped up. Let's go. So now I have to run back home. Let's go. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like it, man. Show support, share it to your friends and family. Leave a comment. By leaving a comment, it won't do bad. It won't bite you or something. Let me stop running. Let me stop walking on the road. The car's coming. It won't bite you or something. Just leave a comment. It's gonna take less than 3 seconds. Let's go. If you're new and you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for, man? Join UC Nation family. Let's go. Let's go. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Now I have to run back home after doing 80 push-ups. Never say never.